Today we are going to talk about the math concept of addition. Addition is the basics of math, of course, after natural counting. Once you understand counting, addition is the next step in your math education. Understanding place values, such as the ones and tens place, is important when adding. Not understanding place value could cause you to make mistakes in your adding. Now let's take a look at the problem 8 plus 5. Let's start by laying out 8 chips. These are called counting chips, and they help us add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll lay out the second half of the problem, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see how many we have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Besides place value, another issue you might make when doing addition is a disconnect with the verbal part of the math and your visuals. This is why using counting chips, such as we did in the example before, can be helpful. They help you associate the words you're using with what you are seeing so that the concept is reinforced. Let's look at another way to do 8 plus 5 using a 10 frame or the make 10 strategy. So we start with 8 in one of the 10 frames. And then we have 5 in the other 10 frame. You simply use the smaller 10 frame to fill up your first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have 3 left over. So instead of doing 8 plus 5 like we did in the first problem, we made it into an easier problem by making it 10 plus 3. When you know your 10 facts quicker than your other facts, it's easier to make one of the numbers 10 and then add the leftover instead of trying to memorize all the facts. The next example is how to do 8 plus 5 using the make a 10 strategy without using the 10 frame. This simply involves only using the numbers by creating a number bond. The first thing you want to ask yourself is, how do I make that front number, the 8, a 10? So we're going to break down the 5 to help make that 8 a 10. We know to get from 8 to 10 we need 2. So we'll take 2 and put it here. Now you have to think to yourself, what is left over to get to 5 from 2? We know that's 3. So we should have 2 and 3, which equals 5. You then want to bring down the 10 that you created with the 8 and 2 and simply add it to the leftover that you had from the 5, which makes it 10 plus 3 equals 13. Below I have included some resources that will help you with your addition. The first one is abcyeah.com. It's a game that uses manipulatives or visuals to help you with your adding like we used with the counters. The second one is Fact Monster. This is where you choose the level and grade that you like, and it times you for 2 minutes on basic math facts. This will help you with your fluency, which builds your memorization of facts to be able to do your addition quicker.